See, in state of Texas, we have our standards. So, and of course, it's like Common Core. We have our standards, and early in second grade, we begin looking at it and exploring with fractions, looking at the unit fractions, communicating about them, examples, non-examples, counting the fractional parts, which is something that there wasn't really an emphasis on when I was young. And I think that is a game changer for our kids when we are counting the fractional parts. And then we are able to compose and decompose them into sums of fractions when we get into third grade and into fourth grade here in the state of Texas. This is a vertical alignment for us. We start in the second grade and go all the way into, when this only goes to fifth grade, but all the way into college with fractions. You know, this is just when they start, and we're just exploring. But our kids aren't getting these pieces here. They aren't getting this exploration time and really thinking about how those foundations work to create that strong, that knowledge to bridge that gap that we know that's there. And so in third grade, this is what we start with looking at again. So these previous standards that I showed you, those were all the supporting things that get the kids to this point where they're able to explain the fractions using a number line, compare the fractions with numerators that are the same, denominators are the same, and when everything is different. Having to relate fractions, decimals, and when they get into middle schools, into percents, all of the foundational stuff begins here when we are working with elementary students. And so we have to give our students that time to explore and understand and describe and speak about the fractions, which is something that does not happen often in some areas. And these are all the things that they do to apply